In this video, I'd like to talk about some common shorthand and symbols that we use in geometry. Please like and subscribe for more geometry and math help. If two things are congruent to one another, that means they are exactly the same. They have the same measurement, they've got the same angle. Whatever we're talking about, they're the same. And the symbol for congruence is an equal sign, but with a little mark up top. That means these two things are exactly the same. Now on a picture, you see here I have a square. How we often mark things that are congruent is we say, well, this, and this are all the same. And we give them like a mark that means though anything with that mark is the same. Down in this parallelogram below, I would say this one and this one are the same. Those sides are congruent. And then this one and this one. And we just add tick marks to let us know, no, it's these two. If we had a third side, of course, that we would add a third tick mark. With angles, we do it like this. We say this one, and maybe we put, again, like a tick mark, and this one are the same, and this one, and this one. Or we could add two tick marks, whatever. We have some symbol that lets us know they are the same. All right, parallel. Of course, parallel means two things that will never touch. They remain the same distance apart. We'll come up with a more formal definition as we go on in geometry. But the symbol for parallel is two lines. So if we're saying one line, like line M, is parallel to line M, we put those two lines between it. How we usually mark that in a picture is with like an arrow. This and this are parallel, and these two are parallel to one another. We could do that down here as well, like that. Okay. Perpendicular, the sign for perpendicular is kind of an upside down T. Perpendicular, remember, means 90 degrees. And if two lines were perpendicular, I'll just make up two lines' name. We'd say, well, line M or line L is perpendicular to line M. And how we mark that in a picture is with a little box. Of course, in a square, those are all 90 degrees. So these are some common just shorthand ways that you'll see pictures tell you like, hey, these sides are the same, or these sides are parallel, or these sides are perpendicular, so that you can use that information to answer questions about the shape.